Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a washer that's making a grinding noise. Watch this video until the end to learn this and more. The washer is making a grinding noise because of a worn drive belt or drum bearings. To fix these, replace the drive belt. When a drive belt gets frayed over time, it affects the tension on the drum, leading to a grinding noise when the motor attempts to rotate the drum. To fix this, disconnect the washer from the power supply. You must remove the back panel to access the drive belt. Consult the manual for instructions. Check if the drive belt is frayed, loosened, or cracked and remove it. Replace it with a new drive belt and return the back panel. Power the machine and run a cycle to check if the grinding has stopped. Replace the drum bearings. When drum bearings are used for long, they tend to wear out, and this will prevent the drum from turning smoothly, causing a grinding noise. To fix this, power off your machine. Access the drum and bearings by removing the back panel. Inspect if the bearings are damaged and remove them using a bearing puller. Replace with new ones that are appropriately lubricated and place the components back in position and run a cycle to check if the grinding has stopped. And there you have it. That's how you fix a washer that's making a grinding noise. Thanks for watching. Till next time.